The default setting uses a 21-day simple moving average for volume, which is suitable for stock markets. For cryptocurrencies, adjusting the value to 30 is recommended for more accurate results. Understanding key TradingView indicator groups can give you a strategic edge by helping you avoid cluttered charts and redundant tools. I've done the research for you so you don't have to, and here's 5 indicators that caught my attention this week. A trend indicator is a technical analysis tool used in financial markets to help traders identify the direction and strength of a market's price movement over a specific period. This indicator combines a zero-lag moving average, ZLMA, with a standard exponential moving average, EMA, to deliver a dynamic view of market trends. A color-changing cloud highlights shifts in trend momentum, while trend-level boxes mark key price zones where reversals may occur. In a downtrend, a rising ZLMA turns the cloud partially green, signaling potential weakening of the trend. Conversely, in an uptrend, a declining ZLMA turns the cloud partially blue, indicating similar weakness. Traders can monitor these color changes for early signs of momentum shifts. A fully colored cloud aligned with the trend suggests strong directionality, while mixed colors point to a potential reversal or transition. Whenever the EMA and ZLMA cross, signaling a trend shift, the indicator plots a box around the price level where the change occurred. The boxes serve as clear visual markers of where market sentiment shifted, often acting as support or resistance levels. You can leverage these zones to identify potential entry or exit points when the market retests these levels. When price action crosses a previously plotted trend level box, the indicator marks this event with triangle labels. An upward triangle appears when the price retests the top of a box during a bullish crossover, while a downward triangle appears when the price retests the bottom of a box during a bearish cross under. It's called the zero-lag MA trend levels by ChartPrime. A momentum indicator measures the rate of change in an asset's price. It helps to assess price movement speed, identify potential trend reversals, and detect overbought or oversold market conditions. Unlike the regular RSI, which is typically shown in a separate pane below the price chart, this RSI momentum indicator overlays its signals directly on the price chart. This integration allows to see momentum shifts alongside price action. The visual cues provide a more intuitive way to track RSI-based momentum changes without needing to switch between panels. The RSI Momentum Trend Indicator by TZACK88 enhances the standard RSI by not only identifying overbought and oversold levels, but also detecting shifts in market momentum. These momentum shifts are clearly marked on the chart with upward labels for bullish signals and downward labels for bearish ones. You can customize the RSI period, momentum thresholds, and visual settings to suit your strategy and market conditions. In summary, the RSI Momentum Trend Indicator offers a clearer, more dynamic way to track market momentum compared to the traditional RSI. A volatility indicator measures the rate and magnitude of price fluctuations in a financial instrument. It helps traders assess market uncertainty, potential price swings, and the intensity of price movements. The Volatility Calibrated ATR is an enhanced version of the traditional average true range, designed to adjust for market volatility. This enables traders to stay aligned with the prevailing trend without being prematurely stopped out during periods of high volatility. The Volatility Calibrated ATR dynamically adjusts its settings based on volatility metrics, using normalized standard deviation ranges like an oscillator. Using Heikin-Ashi candles as its data source, the Volatility Calibrated ATR smooths price action and minimizes noise. Can be integrated into your trading system to place stop losses, calculate profit targets, and set trailing stop losses. By adapting to market volatility, it provides more reliable risk management levels, reducing the likelihood of being stopped out during volatility spikes and helping identify optimal exit points. A volume indicator measures the number of shares or contracts traded during a specific time period. It helps traders assess the strength and significance of price movements by analyzing the trading volume accompanying those changes. This indicator offers a more detailed and color-coded visual representation of volume strength, helping you better understand whether price movements are supported by sufficient market participation. The volume-based colored bars indicator provides a more in-depth volume analysis compared to the regular volume oscillator. It colors the price bars based on the relationship between price movements and volume. The default setting uses a 21-day simple moving average for volume, which is suitable for stock markets. For cryptocurrencies, adjusting the value to 30 is recommended for more accurate results. Dark red bars indicate a strong bearish trend, with volume greater than 150% of the 21-day average. Red bars show a moderate bearish trend, where volume is between 50% and 150% of the 21-day average. Orange bars signal weak bearish movement, with volume less than 50% of the 21-day average. Dark green bars indicate a strong bullish trend, with volume greater than 150% of the 21-day average. Green bars show a moderate bullish trend, where volume is between 50% and 150% of the 21-day average. Light green bars signal weak bullish movement, with volume less than 50% of the 21-day average. A market sentiment indicator is a technical or statistical measure that gauges the overall attitude of investors towards a particular financial market, asset, or economic condition. It provides insight into the collective psychology and emotional state of market participants. The indicator works by averaging volume and closing prices over a certain time period. It compares the total volume for when prices are going up or down to determine if the market sentiment is positive or negative. The Market Sentiment Fear and Greed Indicator helps traders understand the overall mood of the market, whether it's driven by fear or greed. There are two modes in the indicator: Sentiment True Mode, which shows raw sentiment data, and Sentiment Normalized Mode, which makes the sentiment easier to understand by putting it on a simple scale. The indicator also uses colors to show the market's sentiment. Green means the market is bullish, while red means the market is bearish. It can also show a gradient table that visually represents how strong the sentiment is, helping you quickly see the shift between fear and greed. In the previous video, we reviewed a highly profitable trend trading method, which you can check out here.